If you want to cancel your Twitter subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Twitter website or open the app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. On the website, click on your profile icon or the More option in the sidebar, then select Settings and Privacy. In the app, tap your profile icon and go to Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Find Subscription Management. In the Settings menu, look for the Subscriptions or Billing section. This is where you can manage your subscription details. Step 4. Cancel Subscription. Select the option to cancel your subscription. You may need to confirm your decision by following the prompts provided on the screen. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After cancelling, check for a confirmation message or email to ensure your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Keep this confirmation for your records. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Twitter subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Twitter support for assistance.